Chapter 5 Heat Part 2. Anomalous behavior of water. In general, when a liquid is heated up to a certain temperature, it expands, and when cooled, it contracts. Water, however, shows a special and exceptional behavior. If we heat water from 0 degrees up to 4 degrees, it contracts instead of expanding. At 4 degrees, its volume is minimum due to contraction. If water is heated further, it expands and its volume increases. This behavior of water between its temperature from 0 degrees to 4 degrees Celsius is called anomalous behavior of water. If 1 liter of water is heated from 0 degrees and its volume is plotted as a function of temperature, we get the graph as shown in figure. At 4 degrees Celsius, the volume of water is minimum. It means that the density of water is maximum at 4 degrees Celsius. Study of anomalous behavior of water using Hope's apparatus. The anomalous behavior of water can be studied with Hope's apparatus. In Hope's apparatus, a flat bowl is attached to a cylindrical container as shown in the figure. There is a provision to attach thermometers above to measure temperature T2 and below to measure temperature T1. The flat bowl on the cylindrical container. Water is filled in the cylindrical container and a mixture of ice and salt, that is freezing mixture, is put in the flat bowl. During this study, temperature T1 and T2 are recorded after every 30 seconds. The temperature are plotted on the y-axis and the time in minutes on x-axis. The graph shows that initially both the temperatures T1 and T2 are identical. However, as time passes, temperature T1 of the water in the lower part of the cylindrical decreases fast, while temperature T2 of water in the upper part of the cylinder decreases comparatively slow. However, once temperature T1 of the lower part reaches 4 degrees Celsius, it remains almost stable at that temperature. T2 decreases slowly to 4 degrees Celsius. Thereafter, since T2 starts changing rapidly, it records 0 degrees Celsius first, and after that the lower temperature T1 records 0 degrees Celsius temperature. The point of intersection of two curves shown the temperature of maximum density. Initially, the temperature of water in the middle of the cylinder lowers due to freezing mixture in the outer bowl and its volume decreases and density increases. The water with higher density moves downwards. Therefore, the lower thermometer T1 shows rapid fall in the temperature, and this continues till the temperature of water becomes equal to 4 degrees Celsius. When the temperature of water starts decreasing below 4 degrees Celsius, its volume increases and density decreases. It therefore moves in the upward direction. The temperature of water in the upward direction, T2, decreases rapidly to 0 degrees Celsius. The temperature of hot water in the lower part, T1, however, remains at 4 degrees for some time and then decreases slowly to 0 degrees Celsius. We know that in regions with cold climate, the aquatic plants and animals can survive even when the atmospheric temperature goes below 0 degrees Celsius. But how does this happen? During winter, the temperature of atmospheric can fall well below 0 degrees Celsius and the water at the surface of the lakes and ponds start contracting. Hence, its density increases and it goes down to the bottom. This process continues till the temperature of all the water in the lake falls to 4 degrees Celsius. As the water at the surface starts cooling below 4 degrees Celsius, due to anomalous behavior of water, water starts expanding instead of contracting. Therefore, its density decreases and it remains at the surface of the lake. The temperature of the water at the surface of the lake continues to fall to 0 degrees Celsius. Finally, the water at the surface is converted into ice, but the water below the layer of the ice remains at 4 degrees Celsius. Ice is a bad conductor of heat. Thus, the layer of ice at the surface of the lake does not allow transfer of heat from the water to the atmosphere. As the water below the layer of the ice remains at 4 degrees Celsius, fish and other aquatic animals and plants can survive in it.
Thank you for watching the Academic Squad.